It's King Hemi, and welcome back to another video. Let's get into it. One of those responsibilities, man. I ain't gonna show y'all too much because this is where brother lay his head at, so hey, I wanna make sure you good, so trying to go somewhere in life, so all investments, gotta make sure they up to par. Can't let them fall apart on you. More than enough for chocolate. I should go up here, y'all. What y'all think? I want to see what's going on. Stripping it down to the wood, all the old seal. It's a good view, man. Big Apple. Y'all see how thick that is? Big chunks, boy. Work that needed to be getting done. Yeah. Hey man, this was going on at the powerhouse, man. Oh, it's somebody stopping by. Real SRT, man. 6'4", 2012, boy.
See the piece spit up back there.
Hell yeah, kicked out mad hard, but you held it though. I see you.
I do that. Feel like your car, right?
Yeah, low key. Oh man.
Bubba.
It's fire though. Shit came like this.
Nah, that shit is old. I tell you, car old.
Dad, get it in there for real. Nah, my cousin boo the same way too. He be wildin'.
That's the E50 right there.
Oh, fire.
So it'll feel different. Gotta put battery in the key.
That.
Okay, battery down.
That's something, don't worry about no cops at all, huh? Bro definitely know how to kiss the curb in this bro. Old fun shit.
Old school.
Come on.
Oh, so
It's definitely what we do right here. I had a Hot Wheel that looked like this car right here, bro.
what you plan to do something going from
How do you pay for that interior? I'm just waiting for the valve seal to get done in the front.
Yo, you want to hear something funny? I'm wilding up right now, bro. Little funny
Network on AM 1600 or on the
brother right behind me. Hell yeah, this shit jerky is hell yeah.
Are you trying to explain? A few of them.
Fresh little cold start for y'all, man. I'm telling you, bro. Hey, man, something happened. What's going on at the powerhouse?
Extra for the key.
You said what?
How much they charge you extra for the key?
the key?
It come with it.
It came with 3
I thought
keys.
niggas had to pay for the keys.
No, it come with 3 keys.
You know, after a while, they had to have niggas paying for the keys. My mechanic, the best mechanic. Son's the best mechanic. Period. That's my nigga.
The copyright.
It's like this 40. No, back up. I'm gonna holler at y'all. You know, it's my nigga. It's my best friend / mechanic. It's the LS3 Rik. We're about to put an LS7 in that shit. We got like what's that? That shit is full.
Yeah, trust me, you already know. Catfish.
I remember this exact color.
Yeah, but his
That shit different.
hell yeah.
Yeah. I was telling him that. Do the red, King. I was talking about my 87.
Yeah, man. Listen.
Oh, I see you guys.
See the name, man.
RPM.
Yeah.
That's it. All right.
Yo, from the moved on from the crib. And now look at this. Look where we finally at, man. Look who we finally seeing, bro.
Back in action, buddy.
Yo, what's going on, dude? Come on, man. People miss you, guy. You know, same thing, same Hellcats, different day. But you know, we got the Skittle pack right here. This is a mean sight, y'all. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Let me let y'all get y'all the whole view.
Breaks at all.
He's good.
Come on, man. You can't tell me this is not a little bit crazy right here. What?
About the daily, man.
Yeah, man.
Daily.
Oh, you. Oh, this guy. You like, don't forget the daily.
Let me see if I can make it do some pops real quick, man.
Let's see what he talking about, bro.
Don't embarrass me, man.
In a BMW 3 Series, trying to snapple, crackle, and pop.
Something.
I don't know how. This got to be like 2,000 horsepower sitting here at this point. Yeah, we out here, man. We chilling. Let me get back to y'all, man. Let me talk to my brothers. Looks different already, don't it? Let's head up here. And we're back up here. We got the new hatch. Not the new skylight yet, because they're coming back on Wednesday. Ordered the wrong size. Stripped the roofing down to the wood. Looks pretty different. Right, we're getting somewhere. So, probably be up here again when the skylight come in. You know. Making progress, man. I'm happy. One less thing to worry about. You know, we got the matching Big Apple Hellcats down there. Hey, can't complain right now. See me linked up with SRT Joe. Firing, look at Hemi lifestyle. Always working. But yeah, we linked up with SRT Joe, and we got some big plans coming soon, man. So stay tuned. You know, and as always, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Holla at y'all. Let's go to the moon with it.